This is not Starbucks. This is McDonald's.
What's the matter? Why are you afraid of this?
You know, like toothbrush?
Check it out.
Where are you going? But we're gonna go for a walk. Where are you going?
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey!
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Thanks.
Wait, I'm not done.
Okay, well.
Two of them now. Quítatelo, quítatelo.
Oh my God.
Кот-скалолаз страшный, смотрите, гоп-гоп-гоп, как таракан полез. И куда... Бара, все, не пугай кота, не шугай, пошли.
¿Qué tú hacías para... No me enseñes los dientes, que no te quiero ver los dientes. ¿Qué tú hacías para este lado? Dime. Dime. Tú no tenías que estar... Hello, Bella.
Did you say sorry? No, you did not. You did not say sorry.
Oh my God, you scared me.
Daddy, you want a banana? Do you want it? Do you want a banana?
Come on. Oh, good morning.
What the actual fuck? How'd you get in there? What the Jess!
You go straight on, mate. You go straight on. Do a good job. That's a good way done. Good boy.
Кайф, да? You look just like your mama. Oh, mama!
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like boom. Mustard on the beat, bro. Bing, back, boom, back, bing, bing, boom.
Wow. Well, chonkers. Well, chonkers, huh?
Hey! Hey! Treat! You want a treat? There we go.
Wow.
You're a good boy, Cody. Good boy.
Yes, but this dog keep looking back at me to see if I'm still following it or not. I wasn't even following you, by the way. And I was trying to go to someone else. Yeah.
What does the cow say? What does the cow say?
Tail is too excited. It's giving it away. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Beep, 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 beep.
Wrigley?
Brakes fail.
Sua mãe derrubou o braço quando eu gritei. Como é que ele está? Pergunta logo. Você está bem? Como eu consegui ligar? Você está bem?
Not bad.
Sarah, what are you doing? Scooter. Scooter, come on. Scooter.
La chinga de tu vida te voy a dar.
Me gusta eso, sí.
Somebody fed me.
No, dude, you gotta go in the door. You gotta go in the door.
转头，转头，转头，转头。
I've been looking for this dog for a half an hour. Benzie. Benzie, I have been calling your name.
Oh my.
We have to watch it. What?
Hey, don't break that one. You already broke the hippopotamus. Don't break it. No. Somebody better let go.
Run.
That's ice, Drummy. Gotta get in there.
Come here. She puts your hands behind their head. They use you.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You got it.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
If I pull that off, will you die?
It would be extremely painful.
You're a big guy.
For you.
What are you doing, baby? Oh, bless you. Bless you.
It's almost hurtful to me to watch her be so.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Good boy.
Excuse me? Take it outside. Out. Take it out. Take it out. Out. Take it out.
Та не буду я те ловити, іди сюди, іди на.
T'es énervé en plus. T'es énervé, Nénette? Tina, c'est un faux.
Kane, where Where did you get that?
Such is my fucking life. Ma'am.
You ready for the 4th? Lulu? Can you hear me?
Oh, Bonnie!
Hey, stop dragging your ass on there. I lay there.
What are you doing, buddy? Since when do you like being a cat?
Drop it. We're not bringing that in the house. Leave that poor guy alone.
No! The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hey, Diggory. Hey, that one? Is that what you're wanting?
I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
You can't move. I can't move. He's flipping his back leg and hanging his face. What is he doing?
Look, he gets all over the carpet and you can...
What is that? What do you have over there? What? What is that?
Did you chew that receipt? Did you chew that? Stevie?
Pero baboso.
¡Hey, hey!
Scooby, un perro con retraso.
Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
Dylan?
And there she goes. You're so smart. You're so smart.
这狗耍无赖吧，就不检查去啊，不检查去就能让推的，就能看啊，就那玩意儿，哎，你爱咋咋地。
It's pretty nice. You look handsome. Ow.
So, this is your sign. If you want a puppy, no you fucking don't. Look at this dumbass. Oh, yep, there it is.
Where's your ball?
Die namensgebende Insel ist die Kokosinsel. Sie liegt gut 500 Kilometer von der Küste Costa Ricas. Das Gebiet ist Lebensraum für unzählige Haiarten.
Dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
She drug her ass from like.
Was it you, Rudy? Did you get into Rudy? Did you get into the tissue box?
This is Steve Ardell reminding you, stay golden.
How about you, Willow? Did you get into the tissue box?
You ought to be videoing that one.
I am. She's in a circus.
Olha só o que ela faz para subir na mesa.
Maria!
What did you bring to shore? Are you kidding me? What is that?
Oh, okay.
Can you not put your dick in my face?
Y'all, this chick done made a damn doggy dog out the damn screen. That jump pissed me off. She just be jumping through. Man, that jump be pissing me off so bad. Man, when I... Oh. Mamá. Mamá, el bolilla se está portando mal. Mamá. El bolilla se está portando mal. Mira,
Leo!
Luna does not like when I go to work. I'll see you later, puppy. I'll see you.
Huh?
Okay.
They always said you should think twice. I don't even think once.
What you doing in there? Hmm? Looking for wing? Trash day. Cruising day for Lexi.
You're such a brat. I can't keep a sock for nothing.
She will not give up my blanket. I give up.